Everyone, today we are going to be writing equilibrium expressions, okay? So steps for writing equilibrium expressions. 1, each chemical is placed in brackets. So we don't use solids or liquids in our equilibrium expressions because the brackets, what they represent is concentration of, and because solids and liquids are pure substances, we can't figure out their concentration. Right? Products are going to go on top, reactants go on the bottom. So we're going to have products over reactants, like so. And any coefficients become exponents. So here you see this 2 is going to become an exponent for that chemical. We write the expression in this form: K equals products over reactants. All right, it's kind of confusing until we look at some examples, so let's go ahead and do that. Our first example here, write the equilibrium expression for this equation. So again, these are reversible reactions, right? That means the forward reaction is happening at the same time as the reverse. And so this will allow us to kind of understand the relationship between reactants and products. So I want to put products on top. Remember, we don't include any solids, so we don't have to worry about that. So products are on the right side, they go on top, and then reactants go on the left side. Because my reactant is also a solid, I'm not going to include that either. So we don't include solids, so here K is just equal to the concentration of carbon dioxide. And that's it. Let's look at another example, second example here. Write the equilibrium expression for this equation. So again, here we don't have any solids or liquids, so we're going to include all of these. So I'm going to include my product is NH3. And again, this coefficient becomes an exponent. So it's NH3 squared over, and here I have 2 different reactants, so I'm just going to put them next to each other. No pluses or minuses, they're just multiplied together. And again, this coefficient becomes an exponent for that chemical. And this would be the correct equilibrium expression for this equation. Okay, so practice with the 5 practice problems at the bottom. Tomorrow, we're going to start putting numbers into these equations. All right? And there you have it. Writing equilibrium expressions.